Did you know that Paris is called the City of Lights because it was the first city to have street lighting? Illuminate your own journey as you explore the top 5 things to do in this radiant city. Paris, a city pulsing with vibrancy and steeped in rich history, is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. From the charming cobblestone streets to its world-renowned landmarks, the allure of Paris is undeniable. The anticipation builds as we prepare to unveil the top 5 must-see attractions. Now let's illuminate the path to the top 5 things to do in Paris. Starting at number 5, take a stroll along the scenic River Seine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Seine, with its romantic ambiance, is the lifeblood of Paris, winding its way through the heart of the city. It's more than just a river, it's a source of inspiration that has seduced artists, poets, and lovers for centuries. Along its banks, you'll discover a vibrant tapestry of life. Street artists capture the city's spirit in splashes of color, while cafes serve up aromatic coffees and delicate pastries, inviting you to sit and soak in the atmosphere. Historic landmarks pepper the river's course, each with its own tale to tell. Imagine the sun setting, the river glowing under the city lights, and the air filled with the soft hum of Parisian life. A walk along the Seine is truly a walk to remember, but let's move on to number 4. At number 4, immerse yourself in the world's largest art museum, the Louvre. Imagine stepping into an architecturally grand palace, which houses an astonishing array of over 35,000 works of art and historical artifacts. Each corner of the Louvre carries whispers from different eras, echoing stories of human civilization, creativity, and ingenuity. Among the treasure trove, 2 pieces stand out as absolute must-sees. First, the enigmatic smile of the Mona Lisa, a masterpiece by Leonardo da Vinci that continues to captivate millions with its elusive charm. Second, the Venus de Milo, an ancient Greek sculpture embodying beauty and grace, leaving one in awe of its exquisite craftsmanship. But remember, the Louvre is not just about the famous pieces. Each exhibit, each artifact, tells a unique story. Spend a day, lose yourself in the labyrinth of art and history, and emerge enriched and inspired. After a day at the Louvre, you'll carry a piece of art history with you. Now let's reveal what's at number 3. No trip to Paris is complete without visiting the iconic Eiffel Tower, our number 3. Standing tall at over 300 meters, the Eiffel Tower is the epitome of architectural grandeur. A marvel of 19th century engineering, it was initially conceived for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, a world fair marking the centennial celebration of the French Revolution. The Eiffel Tower's lattice iron framework is a testament to the ingenuity of its creator, Gustave Eiffel. With over 7,000 tons of iron, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world until the completion of the Chrysler Building in New York in 1930. From the top, the view is nothing short of breathtaking. With a panoramic view of the City of Lights, you can spot landmarks like the Seine River, Notre Dame, and even the distant Palace of Versailles. The Eiffel Tower truly towers over Paris, but let's see what's at number 2. At number 2, step into the opulence of the past at the Palace of Versailles. This grand edifice, once the residence of French kings, is a masterpiece of architectural magnificence. Its lavish interiors, adorned with intricate gold detailing and grand frescoes, echo tales of royal decadence. Don't miss the Hall of Mirrors, a spectacle of Baroque artistry that leaves visitors spellbound. Outside, the palace's gardens are a theatrical display of nature's elegance, dotted with ornate fountains and sculptures. The Palace of Versailles isn't merely a monument, it's a journey through the annals of French history, a walk through time where you can almost hear the whispers of court intrigues and royal affairs. Versailles is a testament to royal grandeur, but now, the number 1 thing to do in Paris is... At number 1, it's the awe-inspiring Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of French Gothic architecture. This spectacular edifice, with its towering spires and intricate carvings, stands as a testament to centuries of artistry and devotion. Enshrined in history and literature, Notre Dame is truly the heart of Paris, both geographically and spiritually. Its bells have rung through the ages, bearing witness to the city's joy and sorrow, triumph and tragedy. Inside, the cathedral unveils a world of hallowed silence and sacred beauty, with its stunning stained glass windows casting a kaleidoscope of colors that dance on ancient stone. From the whispering arches to the breathtaking view from the top, every corner of Notre Dame tells a story. From the River Seine to Notre Dame, Paris is a city that lights up every traveler's journey. And there you have it, the top 5 things to do in the City of Lights. From strolling the Seine to marveling at Notre Dame Cathedral, Paris is waiting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite thing to do in Paris. Until next time, keep exploring. Who knows, your next trip might be to one of these amazing destinations we've explored. Picture yourself savoring a croissant at a cafe by the Seine, or standing in awe under the towering Eiffel Tower, or perhaps you'll find yourself lost in the endless art exhibits of the Louvre. The possibilities are endless in the City of Lights. Safe travels, and remember, there's always more to explore. Until our next journey, dream big and keep exploring.